If you want to watch YouTube on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you can do is, first of all, you will need to use a browser. Now, in my case, I'm going to use the Samsung browser. And if you don't have it on your Galaxy Watch 9, then we can just simply go to the Play Store. And then in here, we can search for Samsung browser. So we can tap on this text field, and then we can try to quickly search for Samsung browser. There we go. And we should be able to easily find the browser, so I'm just going to install it straight away, and then let's wait for the browser to be installed. So once you get the browser, we can of course open it over here, and you may need to grant some permissions. However, in my case, I actually didn't have to, and thankfully we even have bookmarks over here, which includes YouTube, so we can just tap over here, and we should be able to open YouTube straight away. So let's wait for that and wait for the page to load up. There we go. Now over here you will have to scroll all the way down, and you will have to, of course, accept or reject all of these terms over here. And there we go. Now we should be able to search for anything you want to look for. So let's say I'm going to type something like, I don't know, let's just type something like song or something. And you can easily play these videos. As you can see here, we have a bunch of different videos. Let's say I'm just going to choose this one here. Can I open this one? Sure I can. Of course, you might see ads or something, but there we go. We can easily play the video. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.